your boy Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this act like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want to stop it. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's from pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETFs, making profits. I jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call it short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETFs. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. And boy, do I have an exciting live for you today. Yes, the markets just rolled over into the close. Yes, we finished at the dead low of the day. Yes, the markets went down about 4% in the month of February. Yes, we will talk about what we think the market does from here later on in this live stream. I'll go over with you guys. We'll recap what was a monster month of February. Some of the best trading that we have seen the last year or so in the month of February. And now we're saying bye to February. We're saying hello to March. And we're going to close out the month with something new, something different. We are going to be hosting a Jeopardy style trivia game right here on this live stream. I can't wait to do it. I can't wait how this is going to be a lot of fun. I hope you guys are excited for it. You guys can test your own trading knowledge when it comes to a lot of different categories as well as we go through what is going to be a really fun trivia game here, Jeopardy style, on the True Trading Group live stream. Welcome, folks. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, but now the current head trader of True Trading Group and co-founder. If you guys don't know by now, we are the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that exists to the retail trader and investor today. If you're ready to learn trade and profit for real, you've come to the right place. You see 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday. We go live right here where myself, other TTG Pro trading mods, and special guests will drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, analysis, trade ideas that can help you become better traders immediately. So take a moment, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You guys don't ever want to miss out on any of these lives. But why should you listen to anything that we discuss on these live streams? Folks, it's because I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I began my career working at a fund in New York City, taught by professionals. I went to a 3-month educational trading program before they let me touch $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods, we have helped, and an over 30-person staff, mind you. We've helped thousands of traders from all over the world, from over 100 different countries, reach their goals of profitability in the markets. You see, we are the fastest growing and highest rated platform out there because we combine university level trading and investing courses, similar to the stuff I learned that I worked at the fund in New York, but we pair that with premium stock market tools, provide workshops and mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. And we also do all styles of trading. We day trade, we swing trade. We also do long-term investing. You see, we take that university level of curriculum and we pair it with today's top financial tools that would cost you easily $5,000 to $6,000 a year if you purchase them on your own. But the thing is, you need these tools. These are tools that other successful traders use that help them make better decisions. They get access to more information. I assure you, successful traders are not getting their trading ideas from Reddit and Twitter. Okay. These are tools like, a news feed, analyst ratings, insider buying, insider selling, congressional trading data, social sentiment scanners, other types of scanners, dark pool data, unusual options activity. These are just a handful, guys, but these are the things that you have access to as a member of the TTG platform. And it's all included in the one price. There's no upsells for these things. You also get access to the TTG family, all of our members from over 100 different countries, from all walks of life, that are the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you were ever going to find. Not to mention, you'll get access to all the real-time trade alerts from all of the moderators at True Trading Group that have collectively as a group been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% now going on the last 3 years. So if you are new, welcome. Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications, and let's get ready to have a whole lot of fun, folks. Welcome to our live stream. Like I said, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Not a little bit different. This is very, very different, actually. Where we're going to be doing a Jeopardy-style trivia game where 3 TTG members will be given a chance to compete for cash prizes right here live on this YouTube channel. In a moment, I'm going to bring those people on. Okay, we'll go over the rules. But first, I want to bring on and introduce you guys all to my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group. Everybody give a big hey-yo to Adam.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro? I am excited. This is something new, fun, different. I love it.
Yep. So real quick, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be bringing on 3 different True Trading Group members. We are going to compete in a a Jeopardy-esque style competition where they will be competing to win $1,000 cash. Okay. And how are they going to be competing? Well, we're going to have different categories. Those categories are technical analysis, which will cover technical indicators and chart patterns, trader psychology, options trading, Federal Reserve, TTG platform, and something like has dubbed, not sure what category to put this in.
Oh, that's just you don't have to use that one.
No, that's good. So that is what we're going to be working with. We are going to randomly go ahead and we're going to select somebody to kick it off and tell them to pick a category. Okay. Then what we will do is I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. We, today was a really slow day in the market. So this is our attempt to kind of spice things up a little bit today. So what it is that we're going to do is, let's see.
Adam, we can also do.
Yeah. So why don't we just go person by person? And if they get it, great. If not, then we go to the next person.
You can't go person by person because they're all going to hear the answer. The other person is.
No. They'll have to pick a different category. It'll work. Trust me. You'll see.
All right. You also want to do, because I have 3 different actual charts that I want to include as well, so they can call out the chart pattern. So we can also call that just charts. We'll call that category charts. There'll be 3 different charts in that category.
Yeah. You just have to label it inside the sheet. All right. Very good. So to get this party started. All right. First off, we'll put Mike Trebek in the center there. And then what we'll do is let's welcome our contestants today. We have Justin Waters. What's going on, buddy?
Hey.
All right. We have Nav.
Hi, everyone.
Nice. She's super excited to be here. And we have Teresa Davis. What's going on?
Heyo!
Yes, there it is. There's the excitement.
All right. Excellent. So we'll start this off and we'll go in order. We'll go Justin, Nav, Teresa, straight down the line first, and then Joe will keep track of how many each person gets correct. Each time you get an answer correct, you get a point. The person with the most points at the end wins. Very simple. If you answer a question incorrectly, it's a missed opportunity for you to get the point. All right? So let's start it off with Justin first. Justin, you have your choice of categories. You have technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Federal Reserve, and not sure what category.
Was there a charts category?
There is a charts category.
I want to do charts.
All right, Mike, you're up.
All right, so give me. Hold on, don't get off my charts. Get off my charts. I'll pull my charts up so I can go through and I can show the chart setup. I'll pull them up on my screen, and then we will go ahead and I will let him call out the chart pattern that we see for this particular stock here up on my screen. So I will highlight. And then this way, when I pull my screen back up, he doesn't get a chance to cheat on it. And then now we'll show you guys, you're going to call out the chart pattern that is going to be highlighted in the square box. Here we go. Ready?
And all answers must be in the form of a question, not because it's required. It's just funny. Are you holding up a game?
It's a Pac-Man. It's a little mini Pac-Man.
It's pretty awesome, actually.
That's excellent.
Can I call it?
Yep.
Yeah. That's it's a TTG setup. The flag and pull breakout.
What is the chart
TTG
pattern?
triangle? Is it called?
No. No. Incorrect.
Incorrect. So that's it. Next up, Nav or Teresa, just raise your hand if you want to answer. To steal, Teresa, you're up.
TTG triangle.
No.
Oh, you're going for the ascending wedge part.
Oh. All right. Next up. Nav, do you know it?
I was going to say ascending wedge, but no.
No.
All right. Nobody got that one right. Mike, what is the correct answer?
What is a bull flag?
All right.
Ooh.
What is a bull flag? All right. Very good.
Yes.
All right. Next up, Nav.
Hey, bring me my other computer.
All right. So here, you know what, Joe? Let's there we go. That's way better. All right. So next up, Nav, your choice on.
I don't need it plugged in.
Your choice on category. We have technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Federal Reserve charts, and not sure what category to put this in.
Federal Reserve.
All right, Federal Reserve. Mike, go ahead.
All right. So you'll be responding actually like how I just said, what is a bull flag, just like Jeopardy. So Federal Reserve, a monetary policy action whereby a central bank purchases government bonds or other financial assets in order to stimulate economic activity and introduce new money into the money supply.
No
A
idea.
monetary policy action where a central bank purchases government bonds or other financial assets in order to stimulate economic activity and introduce new money into the money supply. This is something the Federal Reserve implemented to help save the economy and the markets from the COVID crash.
When the reserve buys the.
No?
All right. Hard pass. Teresa and or Justin, do you guys want to steal? Put up your hand if you want to take it.
I
Put up
know
your hand
the
if you want to
answer.
take it. Don't just call it out. Put up your hand if you want to take it.
Repeat it one more time.
A monetary policy action whereby a central bank purchases government bonds or other financial assets in order to stimulate the economy and introduce new money into the money supply. This is the policy the Federal Reserve did to save the economy and markets from the COVID crash. Time is up. The answer is, what is quantitative easing?
That was it. I was thinking tightening, but I couldn't get it.
All right. All right. Next up, we got Teresa. Which category would you like? We have technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Federal Reserve, charts, and we're going to get rid of the not sure what category because there's only one question in there. Joe, please update that. Just put TTG platform as the other category. But which one would you like?
Let's go technical analysis.
All right. Technical analysis. What do we got, Mike?
A technical analysis term that refers to a setup when the 50-day moving average crosses underneath the 200-day moving average.
Repeat it one more time. Oh, what was it?
Death cross.
Yes, correct.
Nice. All right. So Mama T is on the board.
Yay!
With a point. So we have. All right, Mama T's got one. All right. Next up, we got, let's go back up to Justin. Justin, which category would you like? Technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Federal Reserve charts, or TTG platform?
Let's take that platform one.
All right, I'll do this one. All right, how do you send, and you just need to mention one way, how do you send a private message in the True Trading Group chat room?
What is wait for Adam to send it to you?
Incorrect. Nav, go ahead.
Mama can go?
Nav, go ahead.
So there are three dots on the top left-hand side. You click on that, you select the person's name, and you send a private message.
Correct. That is one of the ways. The other way that you send a private message in chat is you can double click on a mod's name and it'll pop up as well. But what you're referring to is correct as well. There was the other way to do it. There's three lines that we call the hamburger on the top left-hand side of the screen. Nav is on the board. And I believe, Nav, it is your turn, right, to pick the category? Yes. All right, Nav, you're up. Technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Federal Reserve charts, and TTG platform.
Trader psychology.
Excellent. All right, I will do this one as well. Let's do. Let's see. Okay, how do you avoid ever losing money throughout your trading career? How do you avoid ever losing money throughout your trading career?
These are open-ended.
You can't. I think losing money. Is there an options also, or do I just have
No.
to?
Hold on. She's got. Go ahead.
You just can't avoid losing money. I think it's part of trading. The way you can't avoid losing all of your money is ensuring you have the right measures in place, which is making sure you have your exit points and entry points, and you stick to those. And when something is going against you, you want to make sure that you're exiting at whatever limit you have set up for that particular trade or for yourself for the day. Which
Nice.
is a form of a limit. So
That is absolutely correct. All right, Mama T, you're up. What category would you like? Technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Federal Reserve charts, and TTG platform.
Let's go trader psychology again.
All right. Let's see. When is it okay to break your trading rules and change strategies for one particular trade?
It's never okay. What is it's never okay?
That is correct. That is the correct answer. That is correct. We need like a ding or something, or like
right. I don't have one of those.
like a confetti.
Here, wait.
wrap.
I got one for you. It's take a toast.
Yeah, there you go.
All
All
correct answers.
Nice. Justin, you're up. Which category? Technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Federal Reserve charts, and TTG platform.
Let's go with another chart.
All right, Mike, you're up.
All right. So, what is the chart pattern that you see on the screen now?
Um,
Five.
yeah, I want to say a ascending triangle. What is descending triangle? But wedge or
I'm sorry. Say it again.
descending wedge.
Ascending or
Say the first word again.
Descending.
Descending. Okay. Well, I'll give it to him. I'll give it to him because you could if you want to straighten out the flat bottom, you could go with a descending wedge. I'm going with bear flag, but either one could be acceptable because you can draw the flat bottom or you can do on a slight angle to give you the bear flag. But I will take that as the descending wedge. I will take that, or descending triangle, as an acceptable answer. I'll take it. I'll take it for you.
Thank you.
All right, very good. So Justin is now on the board. It's exciting. Oh, okay. All right, excellent. So now we are back to Nav. Nav, which category would you like? We have technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Fed Reserve, charts, and TTG platform.
Charts?
All right, Mike, you're up.
Let me get my charts situated. And I'll highlight it for you. So what do you see in the chart above?
That's an ascending triangle?
No. Incorrect.
Mama T, you're up. Go ahead.
Rising wedge.
Right.
Incorrect.
What?
Somebody got.
Oh, it fell.
All right.
Can I go on that?
Yeah, you can. Go ahead.
What is TTG triangle?
No.
Oh.
All right. Next up, nobody got it on that one, and now we are back to Mama T, right? Yes.
Yep. But what would Mike call that one?
What was the answer to that, Mike?
What? I mean, I drew the arrows for you guys there. Put the charts back.
Okay.
What is a double bottom?
I did not look at that. Too low.
Okay, got it.
Too light for me.
All right. All right. Now, category. Mama
Let's
T.
go options trading.
All right. Mike, go ahead.
All right. Options trading. Here we go. A Greek term used to estimate how much an option's value may change given a $1 move in the underlying security.
Delta.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. So right now, just a quick update. Mama T is in the lead with 3 points. Nav is a close second with 2 points. Justin, you are on the board. You have 1 point. All right. Let's go ahead and take charts out of the categories, Joe. Charts are officially out of the categories right now. And we have technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Fed Reserve, and TTG platform. Who is up? Justin, you are up.
Let's do trader psychology.
All right. Let's see here. All right, Justin, true or false? Always remember, if a stock is truly strong, you will get more than one crack at it. True or false?
True.
Correct. Perfect. All right, so now Justin and Nav are tied. Now we go to Nav. Nav, this is your chance to tie it up. Please pick the category: technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Fed Reserve, or TTG platform.
Trader psychology.
All right. Here we go. Okay, true or false? Traders tend to see what they want to see, and this causes them to miss warning signs. Let me repeat it. True or false? Traders tend to see what they want to see, and this causes them to miss warning signs.
False.
Mama T, go ahead.
You can't give it to my. It's only.
Oh yeah. Sorry. He's right.
But I know it.
You can't give it.
No, so true. So just to give an example of this, the true or false here. Think traders tend to see what they want
I'll
to see.
take that anyway, Mike.
Yes.
Think AMC and wanting to see that the mother of all short squeezes is happening to 500 a share, but it's not actually happening. Confirmation bias is what was meant there. All right. Next up, Mama T, which category?
Take a pick, Mike.
No. You got to pick it.
Okay, let's go trader psychology.
All right.
No true or false.
Okay. To help prevent yourself from chasing a stock, what question do you ask yourself?
What would I do if I was already in this trade? And that would be taking profit, risk management.
There you
That
go.
is correct.
Ding, ding, ding.
All right. Justin, you're up. Which category would you like? Oh, no, wait. No, yeah, it is Justin now. I'm sorry. Which category? Technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Fed Reserve, and TTG platform.
Let's take another trader psychology.
All right. Let me mark off the ones. 1 second.
I see.
All right. True or false?
I got you.
Don't fall in love with the trade. If you're wrong, be wrong and admit it and move on. True or false?
True.
Correct. There we go.
They're soaking up the trader psychology one.
There's only one left on there, and then it gets harder, right? Because everyone's avoiding
Right.
technical.
They're all avoiding my questions of options.
We're gonna get all these easy ones out of the way. Let them, and then they get harder. Okay. All right.
Options.
Nav, you're up. Which category would you like?
Okay, so let's do Federal Reserve.
Okay.
All right. Mike, you're up.
The process of an economy that is shifting from growth to slow growth to potentially flat as it approaches but avoids a recession. The
Can you repeat
process
that
of
again?
the economy slowing growth as it approaches but avoids a recession.
Economic slowdown?
Well, it is an economic slowdown, that avoids a recession. What is that called?
I don't even.
Uh,
I see it now. I get it now.
What is? Oh, is that if anybody else wants to take it?
Justin.
What is quantitative?
Wait. Ah. I didn't ask Nav if she wanted to pass on. That's my fault. Nav, did you know it?
Is it soft landing?
Yes, correct.
All right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give Nav and Justin a point there because
Well, you don't know if Justin had it. You don't know if Justin had it right.
I didn't have it right. I was going to say quantitative easing, so I was going to be
all
right
right.
probably.
So then Nav gets the point. Nav and Justin are tied. Mama T is still in first place. And Mama T, you're up.
Let's go options trading.
All right, Mike.
All right. A type of value that only in the money options have.
Intrinsic.
Yes, Mama T on fire. Very nice.
All right. Justin, you're up. Which category?
Is there another category than options still left?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Well, options are still. Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
You want options trading?
No, I do not.
Oh.
He's afraid I'll get it.
What category, Justin?
Yeah, I'm not sure what's left on the list.
Oh,
Yep.
wait,
So technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Fed Reserve, and TTG platform.
Let's go with a technical analysis.
All right. This technical indicator is most commonly known for giving two common signals called a signal line crossover and a zero line crossover.
What is my ex-wife? No. Sorry.
This technical indicator is most commonly known for giving two common signals called a signal line crossover and a zero line crossover.
Is this that AD indicator? I can't think of what the name for it.
4, 3, 2,
Yeah.
1.
All right.
Teresa, who wants to steal it?
Is it MACD?
Nav got it correct. Even though Mama T spurted it out, it was not VWAP. It was MACD. Congratulations, Nav.
That's it.
You,
Nav.
way to go.
I was thinking on that one.
Nav, you are closing in on Mama T. It is.
All right.
Let's see. What we got? It's 5-4. Mama T's in the lead, but just barely, and then we got Justin with 3 points. All right, next up, Nav. It's Nav's turn to pick the category. Yes. Technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Fed Reserve, and TTG platform.
Trader psychology, if there's any left.
Yes.
That's it.
Okay. Trading is 80% mental. True or false?
True.
True?
Yes.
Okay. There you go. So Mama T and Nav are tied up at 5 apiece. Justin trails by 2. And we got Mama T up. Go ahead. Category technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Fed Reserve, and TTG platform.
Let's go TTG platform.
Excellent.
That's Adam's favorite.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
What real-time data tools does TTG offer to all members for the year with no upsells?
Benzinga Trader.
I'll give it to
Trading.
you. It's Benzinga Pro, but we're good.
Benzinga Pro. Trading View. Man, there's so many.
I know. A fact I'm very proud of.
Do I have to name them all?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
It's not that many. It's like you can still count them on one hand.
yeah, you can. I can count them on one hand. Benzinga. The live simulator.
Okay.
There's one more, isn't there?
There's a couple more. All right.
Man. Yeah, okay. I named Benzinga.
Are you looking it up?
No, I'm just trying to think. I named Benzinga.
All right.
You have all the courses.
4, 3. All right, we're going to the
Trade
next one.
idea scanner.
That is another one, but that is not all of it. All right, we're going to the next. Anyone else want to grab that one? Nav, go ahead.
Dark pool and there's a simulator, trading simulator.
This is great. Y'all paid money to be here. All right, so I'll tell you guys real quick. So I'm not going to give that point to anybody. It's upsetting, but at True Trading Group for the entire year with no upsells, you get access to Benzinga Pro, real-time news feed, congressional trades, which includes congressional trades, government trades. You get access to dark pool data, options flow, level 2 provided by Quote Media, ETNA, Trading View, and trade ideas, to name a few. Okay. Next.
I know the other one. Oops.
Next up is Mama T, right? Yeah. Yes.
No, I just did that one.
Oh, okay. So Justin, you're up. Categories: technical analysis, trader psychology, options trading, Fed Reserve, and TTG platform.
No.
Yeah, let's do technical analysis.
All right, Mike.
All right. A technical indicator used to identify support and resistance levels named after an Italian mathematician.
What is Sigafredo?
What is Fibonacci
Yes,
levels?
correct.
There we go. Justin's closing in. Justin is 1 behind. Just a quick update. Mama T and Nav are tied at 5 apiece. Justin is closing in with 4. We move on to Nav. Categories: technical analysis. Here, you know what, Joe? Let's take out TTG platform. That one is done. And trader psychology is done. So now this starts to get a little bit harder. So we are left with technical analysis, options trading, and Fed Reserve.
Fed Reserve. Okay.
Okay.
It's the only way.
The current chairman of the Federal Reserve.
Did you ask who it is?
No, the current chairman of the Federal Reserve.
Are you asking who it is?
Adam, this is how every single question that I have asked, I give the answer. That's how Jeopardy works. They ask the question.
Right, but nobody's following that. So
everybody is. It's just the trader psychology questions that we're not following that. So
right.
Again, Matt,
is it named Jerome Powell?
Yes, correct.
The name? Yeah. Okay.
Who is Jerome Powell? Correct.
Oh man.
Nice. Nav pulls ahead into the lead. And Mama T, you're up. We have technical analysis, options trading, and Federal Reserve.
Let's go. Technical analysis.
All right, Mike.
Or is that one you were low on, Mike?
No, that's
We got it.
I got a couple more for this. A trend reversal chart pattern is said to resemble these two parts of the upper body.
Ears and nose.
A trend reversal chart pattern is said to resemble these two parts of the upper body. Five,
Wicks?
4, 3,
Two parts of the upper body.
1.
You
Yeah,
got
you're
me
up.
on that.
Nav had
Nav had
her
her hand first.
Is it head and shoulder?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh man, Nav's pulling ahead here, man. All right.
no.
All right.
I wasn't thinking that way. I was thinking candle.
Back to Justin. Technical analysis, options trading, or Fed Reserve.
Let's do another technical analysis.
Okay.
The greater the blank.
Yes, Jess.
When a stock breaks through a resistance level, the more likely it will now become support.
What is volume?
Yes. I like how you answered it correctly, too. What is volume? Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Way to go,
Mama
Justin.
T and Justin are now tied. Justin's making a comeback, man. All right. All right, here we go. So next up, Nav, options trading and Fed Reserve. That is what's left. Options trading and Fed Reserve.
Oh, I don't trade options. But okay, options trading.
All right.
Options trading, she said?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
An option strategy involving selling a call option of a stock you currently own shares of.
Wait, go ahead, Nav. You got to give her the chance to answer.
An option strategy involving selling a call option of a stock you currently own shares of.
Covered call?
Yes.
She got it. Good job.
Good job, Nav. She's like,
And
I don't
you're
trade
not-
options,
you're not-
but sure, give me the options.
You're not looking it up. You're doing it.
Oh my no.
Awesome.
No, I only
It's amazing. All right.
I've been doing a lot of studying lately. I just joined the platform a few months ago, so it's still
Very
fresh in my mind.
Awesome.
Nice.
Awesome.
All right. Mama T, you are up. Categories are options trading and Fed Reserve.
Man, I hate that Fed, but we'll go with them.
All right. A detailed record and notes of the FOMC meeting that is released a few weeks after the meeting.
Oh, this is an easy one.
A detailed record and notes of the FOMC meeting released a few weeks after the meeting.
What is the Federal Reserve notes? I don't. What are the Fed minutes?
Yes. All right. There you go.
Couldn't think of the what notes. It's minutes.
You were,
I had to think of when you're doing a meeting. What do? You
Right.
put the minutes out later that by a secretary.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Mama T, it has 6. Nav is in the lead with 8. Justin has 5. And Justin, you are up. Options trading or Fed Reserve?
Let's go options.
All right. And people are like, turn the comments off. I can't turn the comments off. I am trusting that that our participants are not cheating.
I have a full screen. I can't see them.
So I know that it's hard for them to see the comments back here.
And also, and you don't know if people are right or wrong, and there's also a delay. So
Yes, that is true. Also,
yeah. All right. He said options.
yeah, he said options.
All right. An advanced option strategy that allows a trader to profit from sideways price action of an underlying security.
What is straddle?
Incorrect. An advanced option strategy that allows a trader to profit from a sideways price action of the underlying security.
I'll go. I'm not sure if it's correct, but what
All right, well, don't say it out. Don't say
Okay.
Nav, do you know it?
Raise your hand if you guys know
Raise
it.
your hand if you know it.
I don't know that one.
Mama T, you want to take a stab at it?
It is, what is a strangle?
Is this spread by any chance?
The correct answer is an iron condor.
That's it.
All right.
Dang
All
it.
right. So nobody got
Couldn't
that
think
one.
of it. I don't do it, but
All right.
Someone goes, Momin is shaking his head right now.
Momin's shaking his head.
Momin is so disappointed. Momin's like, oh.
So are some in STR.
All right.
One more.
Who was that? That was Justin, right? All right. So Nav, you're up. Options trading and Federal Reserve.
Federal Reserve.
Okay, let's go.
All right, this one's a tough one. This is a tough one. I don't expect anyone to get this right. Data points plotted on a graph used by the Federal Reserve to show their predicted interest rate outlook. Data points plotted on a graph used by the Federal Reserve to show their predicted interest rate outlook.
The answer is literally in the name or in the question. Hold on.
Data points plotted on a graph used by the Federal Reserve to show their predicted interest rate outlook.
And the answer is in data points?
Incorrect. Mama T.
Dot plots.
Yes, dot plot. Correct. That was a tough one. That was a tough one.
All right. Let's see. Lenny goes, what is the Fed has no idea. All right, we got one Fed comment left or question left.
No, that's it, Adam. We're done.
Oh, that was it. So all we have now is options trading.
Yep.
Last one.
It's our last question.
It's our last question. All right, so let's see. Here's what we're gonna do. Justin, unfortunately, my friend, there is no way that you're gonna win this. Are you frozen?
I have a wedding to pay for. This would be nice.
Oh, nope, he's not frozen. He's just very still.
Yes.
What we will do is just to say thank you for participating today. I'm gonna go ahead and give you $100 just for coming on and participating. So thank you very, very much. Guys, give a big round of applause for Justin. Thank you. All right. But
Great. So what's the score right now between Nav and Mama T?
So Nav and Mama T are Nav is in the lead by 1. Mama T obviously trails by 1 if she's in the lead by 1. What we're going to do here is this will be the last question will be a double. Okay. So that means winner basically take all on the next question.
Yeah, but how do you select who gets the question?
It's an excellent question.
Should they wager points?
No. It's a little complicated. Why don't we
I need your help.
They can wager points. I'll give them 15 seconds after I ask the question. They both come up with an answer.
Okay, how about this? How about I'm literally going to think of a number 1 through 5.
That's
whoever gets.
That's not a good way to do it. I'm telling. Let them wager points, and then
I don't understand what you mean. Wager points.
That's how it works. That's how the game show works. Where like you have to wager points. Like, hey, I'm willing to bet 2 points or 4 points or whatever it is. So like if Nav bets 8 points, and if she gets it right, there's no possible way that Mama T can win if Nav gets the answer correct.
Why wouldn't they each just bet 10,000 points?
You can only bet points that you have.
Okay, why
never
wouldn't they
seen
each
Jeopardy?
bet the max amount of points that they have?
Well,
Because I don't want to YOLO.
because that way, if Nav gets it right, there's no possible way that Mama T can win. But if Nav only bets 1 point and now she has 9 points, but what if Mama T bets 5 points? Now Mama T has 12.
Okay, all right.
I don't know. I just don't know how else to do it when you just have the 2 people left like that. And
All
there's
right,
only
no, let's
one
do it that
question
way.
and you're
That seems,
separated
that
by
seems
1
to work.
point.
So how does it? So what do we do first? No, I've never watched Jeopardy. I'm good. So what? All right. So what? We just tell them how many? All right, Mike, go ahead.
Wait, do each of you have something you can write on? Because they can write the answer and then they can hold it up to the screen.
I'm going to have to get something.
All right. We'll wait.
I was taking notes.
Yeah, see, Mama T, if you can grab something to write on, this will be, I think, the fairest way to do it. I'll ask the question.
Okay.
And then you guys can you can put your answer, you can hold your answer up to the camera.
Yeah, but in that case, Justin can wager points too, no?
Well,
Yeah, no. We'll just leave it as is. He's already guaranteed money.
I'm taking profit. I'm good.
You guys want to do a side bet that Mama T comes back with a poster board?
Side bet Mama T did what?
Comes back with a poster board. All right.
I keep my notes. I'm like Jess.
Nice. All right, here we go. So, Mike, what is it? They ask the question. You ask the question. They have to write the answer down.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And this way, I mean, if Nav gets it right, then she wins. If she gets it wrong and Mama T gets it right, then they're tied. And then what I'll do is I'll come up with one more instead of doing the points. I'll come up with one more question, and and then whoever gets it right the fastest is what we'll do. I'll do it that way.
Okay.
So I'm gonna ask the question. You will each have, I don't know what, 15 seconds, Adam, to write the answer down.
Yeah, that should be fine.
And do not put the answer up to the camera until I say put the answer up to the camera. You guys ready?
Yes.
Category is options. A Greek term that tells you how much the price of an option will decrease each day as the option nears expiration. A Greek term that tells you how much the price of an option will decrease each day as the option nears expiration.
What is Zoloft?
Do not put it up to the camera yet. You have 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6.
What is Spankopita?
4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your papers up to the camera. Adam, I can't see it. Can you see it?
I can see theta, and then what does yours say, Nev?
Delta.
Oh no! Mama T with the right answer. We are now tied. We are going to sudden death. We are going to sudden death. Oh, I got to come up with a question now. On the spot. It's got to be a good one. Let's see. What category should I include it in, Adam? Give me a category. I'll try to come up with a question right now. What category?
Technical analysis.
Technical analysis. Ooh. Okay.
Don't make it too hard.
Technical. It can't be easy. This is for the game. This is it.
Okay.
All right.
Y'all remember what was the name of that, Joe? What was the name of that show that was on the? It was part of an app on your phone, and you would answer question HQ. You guys remember HQ on your phone? You'd like answer questions.
Oh yeah. I do. Yeah, that was a good game.
This is how I feel right now.
All
right.
I got it. This is not an easy one. Let me write it down properly. Okay. Okay. All right, hold on. Hey, are you ready?
Yep.
You will have 15 seconds to answer this correctly. This is for the game. Under technical analysis, the RSI value is considered overbought when above this value. The RSI value is considered overbought when above this value. The RSI is considered overbought when above this value. 10, 9,
RSI is
8,
overbought when it's above.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh no.
1. Hold it up to the screen. What do we got?
I VWAP. I don't know.
And what do you have, Mama T?
RSI above 100.
Incorrect. Both are wrong.
I couldn't remember what the RSI. I don't use it.
The correct answer is 70. The correct answer.
All right. So,
I
Mike,
wouldn't
come
know
up
that.
with one more. Let's go.
Okay.
If I used it. One more. I'm going to lose.
Gotta be one that maybe would.
All right.
All right. This one is going to be
Splitting the pot.
Yeah, Adam, I think so. This next question, I expect them both to know. That one was harder. I was hoping one would get it right and one wouldn't. This one, I think they'll both get right. It's going to be who says it first.
Oh my God. What if
No.
you don't?
There's no way to do that. Don't do that.
All right. So we'll just do it this way.
Then we both win.
Split it then.
Okay, here's the deal. Ask the next question. If they both get it correct, they split the pot.
Okay.
All right?
All right. So here we go. You guys will write down your answer.
Okay.
The common term used to describe the 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12 exponential moving average. The common term used to describe the 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12 exponential moving average. The common term used to describe the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 exponential moving average. 10, 9, 8. What do we have? I can't read them out.
Trade line.
Trade line. And what do you have, Nav?
EMA.
The correct answer is
VWAP.
trade line.
Isn't the EMA the trade line?
Well, the trade line is
EMA is the
8,
exponential
9, 10,
moving
11,
average.
or 12 exponential move. You know what? I see what you did, Nav. You said EMA because I said exponential moving average. What do you think? We need a judge. We need a judge. She said EMA.
But you were looking for trade line.
The answer is trade line. The answer is trade line.
All right. How about I think?
Yeah. Split it.
All right. I think we split it. I think they were both pretty close. Mike, you kind of botched that one.
Dude, I'm trying to come up with an answer on a question on the spot here. I didn't have sudden death ready on my questions.
Oh my God. All right. So Mama T wins 500. Nav wins 500. Justin wins $100. You guys are amazing. I need you to all send me via text message to the number I'm putting in chat. Not in chat, but in the private chat. So please do not say the number out loud. Send me your PayPal emails, and I will send you over the cash right now. All right?
Yeah, guys. So the number right there inside of Restream, that's the phone number. You guys can just write it down, and Adam will kick it over to you guys.
All right. Thank you so much for being on here. You guys are absolutely amazing. I hope you guys had some fun. This was nice, man. This was a good change of pace.
Did you guys enjoy this? Was this fun? You guys have a good time?
That was definitely fun.
Yes.
Absolutely. Thank you guys. Thank you for everything you guys are doing. You guys are awesome. And I'm learning a lot. I'm new to the whole trading thing and as well as the platform. So keep it up, the amazing work you guys are doing. So thank you for having us over today.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you, guys.
You're very welcome. Thank
This
you.
platform is incredible. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. Lots of fun, guys. That was
Dude,
a lot.
that
Adam, that was
was-
fun, man.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome. I really, guys, if you really liked that, smash the like button, man. We had never done anything like that before. Man, that was really, really great. And I definitely want to do that again.
Yeah, that was cool, man.
Definitely
And,
wanna
and,
do that
and
again.
this was like shotgun style. Adam and I came up with this idea like an hour and a half ago. Like maybe next time we can, we'll have it a little bit more organized and set up, and I think it'll be really fun.
Yeah, absolutely. Mike, see how many people are on here that are not members, that are maybe just on here for the first time.
Yeah, listen, if you guys are new to this YouTube channel, why don't you guys just do me a favor and type the letters TTG. Just type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Just type TTG if you are not a member. I want to see how many people we have on here that are not members of True Trading Group that might have just kind of seen this. All right, we've got Lucas. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. We'll do this again. We'll do this again.
All right, Prestige family. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We want to give. So in the spirit of what it is that we've done today, what we're gonna do is this: we are going to give trial members, anyone that signs up for a trial membership, and Mike will tell you about it in a second. A trial membership. If you sign up for a trial membership tonight. So do not sign up for a full membership today. Sign up for the trial. Mike will walk you through how in a second. Sign up for the trial membership. And tomorrow at noon, anyone that signs up for the trial membership will be in the running for a free annual membership to True Trading Group.
No, we're just giving stuff away today, man. I like this. This is fun. Why
right.
not? We had a huge month of February, man.
Yeah, it was massive. So, Mike, go ahead and explain everything there is with the trial. I'm going to bounce off and let them know if they're watching later. There's no time constraint on the trial as long as you sign up for the trial before 9:30 a.m. tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. So, yeah, guys, that's what we'll do. So, anybody that's on this live stream right now that is not a member of True Trading Group, if you join our trial by going to ttgthree.com. That's TTG3 spelled out.com. We are going to be giving away a free annual membership to True Trading Group tomorrow. In order for your name to be included, you just have to be a trial member before the opening bell tomorrow. So there's no time restraint on this. If you're watching this live stream after it's already aired, you can go to TTG3 spelled out. That's TTGTHREE.com. Enter your name, your email, and your phone number. Click yes, I want this. You'll fill out a quick application. And then if accepted, you'll be prompted to pay a one-time payment of $3. The only reason we charge $3 for our trial is to make sure that you're a real person and you're not going to come inside our chat and just spam a bunch of nonsense while we are all trading during the day. We maintain a very high quality and very high integrity chat room during the trading session, and I want to protect that at all costs. That is why we charge $3. It is a 7-day trial. It's 7 trading days. So weekends and holidays do not count against the 7 days. It is 7 trading days. So you can go to TTGTHREE.com, enter your name, email, phone number, Select yes, I want this, fill out that application, and then you'll be prompted to pay $3. It's a one-time payment. There's no automatic renewal. There is no automatic upgrade. There is no reoccurring payment. After your 7-day trial is over, it simply expires and you are never charged anything ever again. Okay, so again, anyone that joins our trial between now and tomorrow morning's opening bell, when the stock market opens, your name will be included for a shot at a free annual membership in True Trading Group. That annual membership is going to get you all of our courses. That's the simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned that I worked at the fund in New York. You also get all of our tools. Benzinga Pro's newsfeed, okay, Trading Views charting software, the Trade Ideas scanner, unusual options activity, dark pool data, options flow, congressional trading data, so you can see what stocks members of Congress are buying and selling, a social sentiment scanner, the Trade Ideas scanner, our own proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans, analyst ratings, a trading journal. All of these tools are included when you join our platform. They'd cost you $5,000 or $6,000 a year if you were to go and pay for these products on your own. We know that's a lot of money. That's why we spent years building relationships with those companies so we can put their products on our platform without you having to pay for them. So when you guys join our trial, you will be included tomorrow. We're doing a giveaway for a shot at a free annual membership. You'll get access to all of those things for the entire year when you win that annual membership. Okay? So again, folks, go to ttgtree.com to join our 7-day trial now. Again, it's only a one-time payment of $3. There's no automatic upgrade, no automatic renewal, no recurring payment. That's ttg3 spelled out .com. All right, take advantage of it. Anybody have any questions for me from the trading session today? I'll take maybe 2 or 3 questions before we call it a night. I had a lot of fun here with this little trivia game. Looking forward to doing more of these in the future. Anybody have any questions for me before we do break? Hope you guys maybe, tested your own trivia skills as we were going through all of that. While I'm waiting for some questions, if you guys see any questions, Joe, Adam, if you guys see any good questions, you guys can throw them up on the screen. While we're waiting for people to type their questions, I'll cover AMC. AMC had earnings. The stock's not moving. It's at $7, so no mother of all short squeeze here just yet. So $7 sitting right there. Oh, my boy. Yo, Jimmy, what's up, man? Hope you're doing well, bro. So yeah, no mother of all short squeeze there for AMC. Stock's actually not really moving much. Stock's down 8% from yesterday and trading a little bit lower after the close. But the SPY had a pretty big sell-off after hours. I mean, into the afternoon session. We tried, why market sold off the last hour. Good question, Simon. So, I think the market sold off the last hour or two, honestly, because, and props to some of our members, because I know some of our mods caught this sell-off. I know Geo was looking at put options on the SPY into the close. I know Geo was able to capitalize on that, and Shai with NVIDIA puts into the close. So Shai, one of our mods, did grab NVIDIA puts right there, right before 2 p.m. She got NVIDIA puts. I believe the March 3rd expiration, $235 strike put at around, was it $3? I think it was $3. And those options went all the way to like $5.50 before the closing bell, and was able to take profits off all along this move to the downside. So a lot of our members were able to capitalize. On this. And the stock is trading lower now also, as they filed for a $10 billion mixed securities shelf offering. That stock now trading lower after the close on the back of them filing for a $10 billion mixed shelf offering. So different, looks like they're going to be, using different types of securities in order to raise $10 billion for NVIDIA. My guess, what they're going to use that $10 billion for could end up being just increased production. Not really. I wouldn't. I mean, if I was the CEO, I wouldn't be increasing production at this point in time with what's expected for the rest of the year. But possibly to raise cash for maybe some acquisitions. is honestly something that maybe I'm thinking about with NVIDIA. Why would the company raise $10 billion? They have a strong cash position. They generate tons of revenue already. But to raise $10 billion like that, I think they could be either, reinvesting back in or maybe looking for an acquisition. And the first thing, as soon as I heard the news, as I'm watching here, we've got our Benzinga news feed that's included with your platform when you do join True Trading Group, and you'll have it if you guys win the annual membership tomorrow, is that real-time news feed. And as soon as I saw that the company came out with a $10 billion raise, first thing I thought about was possibly them, stacking up their cash for possibly going after an acquisition. I don't have any information to lead me to believe that, other than it was just the first thing that came to my mind, why the company would be raising $10 billion. But I have to look into it deeper. I will look into it deeper. NVIDIA is a stock I own in my long-term portfolio. I absolutely love this company. I will own this stock for well into the next decade. Very excited about the things that this company is doing, and any significant pullback in share price throughout the rest of this year, I will buy more. All right. But the overall market sold off. If you guys have been following my live streams for the last couple of weeks, I am bearish on the market, and I've been bearish in the market for the last 3 weeks. Going back to the very first day of February, my live streams have been I'm concerned. Markets got complacent. Investors got very content, just assumed inflation was going to just completely roll over. It has not. And you're seeing this drop now over the last 3 weeks. The markets have traded the last 4 weeks. The markets have traded to the downside, right? So I've been pretty bearish in the markets over these last couple of weeks, and I still am. I still am looking for downside. I just think that the markets are going to bounce a bit, and you may get choppy because of all these major moving averages. The 50-day, the 200-day, the 100-day, all those major moving averages are sitting clumped together. They're very condensed. They're all within, $7 or $6 of each other. So very, very close to have all three of those major moving averages, and you're going to get support there. Algorithms and people will be buying at these levels, and that could, cause these little bounce moves. But the real direction, I think, is still to the downside, as the Federal Reserve, has to be more aggressive to bring inflation down. You got red hot inflation data. You had now some worse than expected numbers over the last couple of days when it comes to manufacturing data, when it comes to consumer confidence data. Those numbers came in lighter than expected. You've got a very important initial jobless claims number that comes out on Thursday. You got Fed members that are speaking the rest of the week. I think people are starting to get a little anxious and nervous that the next CPI number is also going to be hot. And I think that anxiety is showing up in the marketplace. Meanwhile, you have yields exploding again. You had the 10-year Treasury get to the highest level that it has been since November. The 2-year is finally racing to 5% and is now matching where the Federal Reserve currently has interest rates. That was completely out of whack over the about a month ago. You go back a month ago, the 2-year was drifting back to 4.2. The 10-year was back to 3.5. Right. So now you're getting these yields are beginning to really push higher. Financial conditions are starting to tighten up again. And the bond market is starting to then go where the Fed wants it to go by going higher and getting closer to that 5% number. I do believe you're going to see the 2-year Treasury yield a 5% rate in the next couple of weeks. I do think that that's going to continue. And that rising interest rate when it comes to Treasuries should put pressure. Excuse me, guys, I have to sneeze. Should put pressure on equities. I think eventually you'll get deeper into these moving averages, but expect these little bounces in between, because these are major moving averages and a lot of buying programs trip on at those levels. But eventually I think that they do move to the downside. Okay. So that's why I think the market sold off at the end of the day today. I think the better question is not why did the market sell off at the end of the day? The real question is really, why did the markets bounce in the beginning of the day? Because the sell-off in the end of the day makes sense. I am overall thinking, little bit more downside here to get down to 390, the high 380s. That's where I think we're going. But I expect these little bounces in between as you test all these massive moving averages, 50-day, 200-day, 100-day. And I think that's why we bounced. And then that bounce ran out of steam, and the selling pressure just took us back to the downside. That's what I think is the real question. right? And that's what I think is the real answer. Not why do we sell off into close? That part to me makes sense. It's why do we bounce to begin with? And that I believe is the answer. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it. All right. Any questions? I don't know, Joe or Adam, I don't know if you guys saw any good questions that you want to throw on the screen. If not, I could, we can just wrap things up. So again, guys, TTG, THREE.com. That's TTG3 spelled out.com. Anyone that joins the trial between now and tomorrow market open will have a shot at a free annual membership to True Trading Group tomorrow. Okay. Again, that is TTG3EE.com. No automatic upgrade, no automatic renewal. It is a one-time payment. We don't play any games. We only charge you $3 to make sure you are, in fact, a real person. All right. So again, you'll go to TTG3.com. You'll enter your name, email, phone number. Click yes, I want this. You'll fill out the application, and they'll be prompted to pay just the $3. Again, one-time payment for $3. If anybody has any questions at all about True Trading Group, questions about the trial, questions about our courses, about the platform, about myself, you can send us a text message. We're a full open book, 786-505-4049. Again, 786-505-4049. You can text us if you have any questions. Okay. That's 786-505-4049. Otherwise, go join that trial now. It's 7 trading days. Holidays and weekends do not count against your 7 days. It's 7 full trading days to be with us live inside chat, get the news feed, get access to some of the tools. You guys can use the mobile app, be trading with us live for a full 7 trading days. Again, TTG3 spelled out.com. Thanks for joining me tonight, folks. I love you guys. I hope you had fun with the trivia game. We'll do this more often. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Smash that like button. I love you guys. Make sure you turn on your notifications. Don't ever miss out on any of these live streams. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Have a great night. Take care.